Türkiye has reached a major milestone in unmanned combat aviation with the successful completion of the first live K-Swarm trials, pairing the Bayraktar KIZILELMA combat drone with Leonardo's M-346 fighter trainer aircraft conducted at Baykar's Flight Test Center in Korlu. This breakthrough demonstrates the future of crewed and uncrewed teaming in aerial warfare. The KIZILELMA, Türkiye's jet-powered unmanned combat air vehicle, executed fully autonomous taxi and takeoff procedures before joining the M-346 fighter attack variant in formation flight. Once in position, the two-person crew aboard the M-346 assumed complete control of the drone using a newly developed integrated avionics suite. This crewed-uncrewed computing system allowed pilots to command various formations, with the KIZILELMA autonomously executing position changes, separations, and rejoins based on initial commands. Advanced smart fleet autonomy algorithms, developed in Baykar's hardware-in-the-loop laboratory, enabled seamless coordination between the platforms, and advanced radio frequency data exchange systems synchronized all information shared between the aircraft, protected by Leonardo's GCC tactical platform cyber defense system for real-time monitoring and secure command transmission. The KIZILELMA represents one of the world's few operational fighter-type combat drone programs, featuring low observable characteristics and supersonic capability in later variants powered by a Ukrainian-made Evchenko Progress AI-322F turbofan engine delivering nearly 10,000 pounds of thrust with afterburner. The drone is designed for air combat missions typically reserved for crewed fighters. The platform can operate from short runways and is being developed for deployment from Turkey's TCG Anadolu amphibious assault ship. This trial marks the transition of the K-Swarm program from simulation to live operations, validating next-generation algorithms for collaborative combat. The test campaign involved two M-346 airframes, including a Leonardo-owned fighter attack variant and an Italian Air Force T-346A serving as chase aircraft. The KIZILELMA prototype featured Turkish flight autonomy hardware and software integrated with Italian unmanned control codes, demonstrating successful international interoperability. The KIZILELMA is envisioned as a loyal wingman companion to Turkey's next-generation TF-Con crewed fighter, expanding mission capabilities while reducing risk to pilots. This Turkish-Italian collaboration also opens pathways for manufacturing KIZILELMA units at Leonardo facilities for European markets, with local mission systems and certifications. With serial production underway and multiple successful weapons integration tests completed throughout 2025, the KIZILELMA program continues advancing toward full operational capability. The K-Swarm trials establish a foundation for refining operational, industrial, and doctrinal processes as these systems prepare for mass production and combat deployment. This achievement positions Turkey at the forefront of autonomous air combat technology, demonstrating capabilities that rival similar programs pursued by major military powers worldwide. The successful integration of crewed and uncrewed platforms marks a transformative step in modern aerial warfare doctrine. Thank you for watching To the Ultra Defense.